GPT WhatsApp Responder is a powerful tool that leverages artificial intelligence to provide automated customer support via WhatsApp. It allows businesses to create specialized chatbots that can answer customer inquiries and provide helpful information quickly and accurately. These chatbots can be customized to fit the specific needs of the business, making it a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes and industries. By automating customer support, businesses can save time and resources while improving the overall customer experience. Follow the steps to set up your copy in Windows. 1. Unzip the downloaded package and place it on your desktop. 2. Double-click on the Publish folder, then double-click on setup.exe. 3. Open setup.exe file from the Setup folder and follow the steps to install and activate it. You will need to download your license key from Code Canyon to be able to activate your copy. Once you download your license, copy the license key and paste it into the activation window and click Activate License. Open GPT WhatsApp Responder from the Start menu. Click on Settings button and fill in the settings details. First, you need to obtain an OpenAI API key. Follow these steps to get an OpenAI API key. Go to the OpenAI.com website and sign up for an account. Once you've created an account, navigate to the API section of the website. Click on the Get API Key button. Follow the instructions to set up your account and billing information if needed. Copy the API key and paste it in the OpenAI key field. Inside the GPT prompt field, enter details about how you want the bot to act. For example, you can make it act as a sports shop owner by asking it like this. If you want the AI to respond with the phone number when asked, you can write the prompt like this. If you want the AI to respond with the email address when asked, you can write the prompt like this. If you want the AI to respond with your location when asked, you can write the prompt like this. You can combine all these prompts together as a long sentence and write it in the GPT prompt section of the settings. If you decide to use a certain Chrome profile, you can enter the Chrome profile you want to use in the Chrome profile name field in the settings window. Once done, click Save and you're ready to start the bot. You have to click on Open WhatsApp button. Remember that Chrome browser should be closed when you do that if you are using a specific Chrome profile. A new window will be opened with a QR code which you should scan from within WhatsApp settings to allow access to your WhatsApp account. Please note that this is highly secure as it uses the WhatsApp implementation of WhatsApp Web. Once scanned, you can click on Start Bot button. The bot will start and should be able to answer questions as per the prompt you entered. You can use GPT WhatsApp Responder as a standalone bot to answer questions related to any subject. For example, if you want the bot to act as a sports expert, you can write the prompt like, "Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting videos."